Hello, this is John with Anthem Business Solutions, and today we're going to go over how to change your password to the admin portal. The first thing you're going to want to do is go to the admin portal itself, which is hrpos.heartland.us. Once you're logged in, you're going to want to go to the button where it shows your initials up here at the top right, and you're going to choose My Profile. Once you're in here, you'll see the option for New Password. You'll go ahead and type your new password in here. Once you put in your new password, there is a spot for confirm password you need to do as well. And you want to make sure you're following the guidelines here of at least 8 characters, 1 digit, uppercase letter, lowercase letter, and special character with no white spaces. Once you're done there, go over here to where it says save, and you click save. You make sure you get the save successful, and you're all done. Password's changed. Thanks for watching. Want to stay up to date on the latest tips and tricks? Don't forget to click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon.